everyone, welcome back to another video. So for today, I actually want to take you guys with me to Ulta Beauty. There are actually 3 reasons why I want to check out Ulta Beauty, you guys, because you guys know I always take you guys shopping with me. Ulta Beauty has been popping lately, you guys, with their holiday deals, holiday sets. So Ulta is having the Holiday Blitz event, which is 25 days of amazing beauty deals, and each day of December they do display a couple of their products for up to 50% off, and that is an awesome event that they're having, you guys. They do have the same sale going on online as well. So oh my god, my hand is like hurting, you guys. I forgot to bring like my tripod, the one that holds your camera, and I've been like holding my camera with my hand, so my hand like hurts. So if you see me like switch places here and there, it's because of that. So I want to show you guys for each day up to December 8th what kind of items they will have on sale. And then the second reason why I want to go there, you guys, it's because Ulta Beauty actually now has Kylie lip kits, you guys, on display, as well as the KKW fragrance. And then the third reason I want to show you guys holiday sets they do have at Ulta Beauty. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the red button, also make sure to like this video. And with that being said, let's go on and get started. Alright, you guys, we have arrived at this Ulta Beauty and we're gonna go check out what they have inside, what's new and what kind of sales they have. Look, there are the Kylie lip kits here at Ulta, and let's check out what they have. So here they have the holiday sets, which are the Kylie holiday lip trios. So the individual ones are $16, but the lip kits are $36. Originally $48 value. And they have in a couple of shades. I really love the design that it has. It's like a really nice holiday Christmas design, which is really pretty. This one contains Posy K, Cupcake, and One Wish. And these are the colors. And then over here are the lip kits, which come with the lip liner. True Brown, Head Over Heels, Clove. And then this one's Exposed, which I think it's a very popular color. And then Dolce K. This is how Dolce K looks like. It's a really pretty nude pink. Okay, so here is the Beauty Blitz for December 3rd, 50% off on the Stila Perfect Me Perfect Hue Eye and Cheek palettes. These are for $39. So I guess 50% off would be like $15 or something like that. And then they also have the Matte and Metal Eyeshadow palette, which this one, which is $49, and that'll be half off, will be like $25. So that's on sale. So this set is actually going to be on sale half off on December 4th. Hopefully this video is up before then, but this is the Buxom lip set. It's a 12 Party All Night lip set, and it's $49 value. So you get a combination of matte, cream, and lip glosses here. Really pretty set. Let's check out for December 5th. I think it's one of the Smashbox. So for Smashbox, we are having the Holidaze Always on Liquid lip set. I think this is a $29 value, but they're actually going to have it for half off. And you guys, they also will have the palette as well, the Contour and Spotlight palette as well, for half off on December 5th, and that is a $39 value. And then on December 6th, they're gonna have the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. This one is a double-ended lipstick and lip gloss. Each of these are actually $24. I'm gonna be having it on sale for half off. So it's going to be at around maybe $12, $14 each. And then for December 7th, you're going to have the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Christmas Fruitcake, which is the limited edition one. This is going to be for $15 on December 7th. And you also get a Christmas fruitcake makeup bag along with that set. So that's a really cute set. You get also a comfort lip glaze and also a highlighting duo and also a highlighting drop called Pina Colada. Oh my god, this is like making me want to eat some kind of like gelato or something. Oh my god, they have the Anastasia blushes that we found at TJ Maxx for like half off for $30, you guys. So I totally recommend you guys check out TJ Maxx instead of Ulta for the blushes because I've seen it over there for half off. Oh my god, and then here's the sultry palette which I've been meaning to try. I really love the Anastasia palettes. I'm not sure if I want to buy this one, but I'm hoping to get this for the holiday season because I really love the palette. The cover of this is actually really nice. It's not like very rough. It's not like one of those palettes where glitter gets all over the place. But these are the colors. It's so pretty. Oh my god, that gold one is really nice, and also that silver one called Sight-Bird. That's a really nice one too. December 8th, they are going to have this BareMinerals Meteor Shower 5-piece full-size makeup collection plus a bag. $46. They're going to have it for 40% off. So that is a really great deal. You get a palette, a blush, a lippy, and a mascara, which is awesome. Here they do have these bronzers, which you can actually use as stocking stuffers. The Professional Pro Primer, I definitely recommend that. That's a really good one. The Hula Bronzer. I have a couple ones here, Gold Rush. Really mini versions, but these are really cute. They also have the Lash Bad Gal by Benefit. That's a really good one too. And they do have a lot of like cute little items. So I also like the High Beam by Benefit. That's a really good one too. We also have this one, the Benefit Beauty Blowout, which you get mascara, a mini Hula Benefit bronzer, and a Benefit What's Up highlighter for your face. And if you buy 3, you get 1 free. Oh yeah, you guys, by the way, they do have the KKW fragrance here at Ulta now. And they have the Kimoji KKW fragrance in the cherry and also in the peach perfume. Here they do have the classic collections by Mario Badescu facial spray. This is actually for $38 and it's a $49 value, but I totally recommend you guys get a set for this for the holidays. Actually well worth it. Coming up here, you do get the Fab Scented Trio by First Aid Beauty. This is a $36 value and it's actually selling for $28. That's a really good one. And then there's also the Northern Lights $12 nude cheek palette. This one's really cute. And you also have, you guys, if you're looking for a gift under $25, they do have the 6-piece kit by Peter Thomas Roth, which these are all masks. They're like mini versions. I did find this at Cosmetics, Superpower Superhero Lash and Liner. It's $29. And you get all full size. Comes with the Superhero mascara and the liner, which I really do recommend. The mascara is actually really good. And over here is a $26 Pure Life of the Party fully charged mascara. You also get eyelashes and a liner as well. And then if you're looking for a gift under $50, this is actually a really nice holiday gift. This is a Fab Holiday Cheer First Aid Beauty. You get a moisturizer, a repair cream, also intense peel, lip therapy, and a facial cleanser, all for $48, under $50. And I never tried this brand Juicy Beauty, but this is a $49 value too. And then if you're looking for a brush set, you guys, they do have this from Ed Cosmetics. It's a limited edition. It's $68. Cosmetic brushes are actually a very good brand. And then in this section, they do have a lot of the Tarte Cosmetics holiday kits. So over here, they have the $32 holiday kit from Tarte. This one actually comes with a bag, a Gleam Team Liquid Luminizer, and also in liquid eyeliner. Okay, here is a Tarte Pineapple Beauty Blender. This is a really cute stuffer as well. And they also have the Light Cameras Lashes 4-in-1 mascara in black for sale. So they do have this Tarte $39 value lippy, and these are the shades. It's really cute. And they have this Tarte Lashy and Flashy eye curler. Here, you guys, they do have the #1 selling concealer. This one's a Shape Tape concealer and sponge set. This is for $29. I use it all the time. And then over here they do have the Tarte High Performance. This one is the Sweet Escape Blockbuster set, and this is for $49, and it is a $369 value. But you do get all this, you guys, and mascara as well. And then over here they do have the Life of a Party Clay Blush Palette in Clutch, $42. This is really cute. Now for Benefit holiday sets, they do have a couple sets. So this one is the $44 value, Give Me Some Sugar, and you get a Roller Lash, a Professional Pro Primer, a Hoola and High Beam. All this is for $44, and it comes in this cute little display which actually looks like a cake. Just a really cute holiday gift. This one specifically comes with a moisturizer by Benefit, also an eye cream, a conditioning primer, brow liner, and also a facial serum. And then this one is the Triple Decker Decadence. This one's $39. And then this one is the Goody Goody Gorgeous. This one's $29. They also have the Cake Pops set, which is $29, but it's $72 value. And this is the Cake Pops. And then over here, you guys, I have the Brow Starts Magical, $59. It's an awesome deal. It's originally $140 value. Going to Too Faced now. Too Faced over here, they do have the Pretty Rich Diamond Light Eyeshadow Palette. This is for $49. And this is how it looks like. They also have the Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter. Fancy Pink Diamond, which looks like this. This one is the Diamond Fire. Wow. I do have the BareMinerals Celestial Magic lip sets. They have the Star Signs lip sets. This one's for $12, originally $38 value. And then over here they have the Ethereal Nudes lippies. It's $29. But I love the BareMinerals lippies. You guys are so creamy. And these are the shades that it contains. Really love this set, so totally recommend buying this one. And then they even have the full-size versions too. These are for $28, and you get 3 lippies. This one comes in Juju, Friendship, and Scandal. I actually do like the color Friendship. It's actually a really nice color. Totally recommend that one. Okay, and over here, you guys, they have some Stila, Pure Cosmetics, and Anastasia. A little bit of everything, but I do want to show you this kit under $50. If you're somebody that loves glitter, this is for $45, and it is by Stila. It's a liquid eyeshadow set. You also have the Stila Big Shot Redux for $25, and they have a Stila Lippy Kit for $39. Stay All Day Liquid Lip Set. And then back here, they do have the Anastasia Metallic Liquid Lip Set, and you get all these metallic lippies. Really cool. If you do want to buy somebody something for under $15, under $20, you can buy this Pure Sparkle and Shine Bright Illuminator. You get Bottoms Up, Cheers, and Let's Toast. And there's also a couple other sets here too, if you can see here. These are like nice stockers. Here they have the Triple Beat Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is for $17.50. Now, one of the palettes that I really recommend you guys gift is the Sweet Peach palette. It's a really pretty palette. I love the colors, but I also love the Gingerbread Limited Edition eyeshadow palette, Gingerbread Spice. Look at all these colors. Oh my god. You can create really beautiful looks with this palette. And then over here they have the Too Faced Beauty Daydreamer palette, or I think actually this is the Beauty Daydreamer Makeup Collection, which contains eyeshadows, shimmery, matte, and metallic finishes. Plus you get 4 face products in a makeup bag as well, and that's that over there. It's really cute. I think you also get the Better Than Sex mascara This is for $42, and you also get under the Christmas tree limited edition Christmas tree breakaway makeup palette and mascara set, and that is how it looks like. This was actually for $49, so you get 3 palettes in one, which is awesome. You also have here the Sweet Smell of Christmas Tree Liquefied Liquid lipstick set for $25. So this is a nice gift for under $25. That's really nice. And then over here you have the Moisture Search with the Clinique face spray and overnight mask, and also a lippy. This is I think for this is for $49.50. This is a really nice gift set for under $50. Totally recommend this Clinique, especially because of the Moisture Search. This is a really good deal. Because the Moisture Search alone, I think it's actually for $40. There's the Burn Book eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like, and these are all the shadows that it has. These are really nice, cute colors. It's so pretty. We also have the Wizardry and Witchcraft. I wonder how that looks like. Let's see. Let's open it up. More like fall colors. Wow, the Burn Book eyeshadow palette. This one's actually more summer colors. And then over here, you guys, I have the Luscious Lips and Lashes. This one's for $29, but you get a $5 bonus gift card inside as well. So you get a combination of all the favorite lip products from Anastasia, Pure Cosmetics. You get Too Faced the Better Than Sex mascara, the Buxom, BareMinerals, Urban Decay. So it's like whole mini versions, but you get a whole set there, which is really cool. Okay, you guys, so here are the fragrance section, and just so you know, Ulta is having the 50 fragrance purchase of $50 or more, you get a limited edition bathrobe. So you get this cute little pink one here, which has some polka dots. That's a really cute one. And then also a silver one. Hey guys, so I just pulled up at TJ Maxx parking lot. This one's actually right around the corner from Ulta Beauty. So you guys know I had to check it out just to see if there's anything new. So I'm gonna go in there, and then I'll see you guys. Just left this TJ Maxx, and it's so windy outside, you guys, which is why like my baby hairs are sticking out. I have like horns growing on the side of my head, which is so funny. But you guys, there were so many amazing cool items at TJ Maxx. You guys definitely have to check out your TJ Maxx this month because they're putting out a lot of holiday sets. And can you guess what I found? I actually found the MAC Jeremy Scott eyeshadow palette, you guys. Oh my god, when I seen that, I was so shook. But yeah. And you guys, I also have a little mini giveaway going on, but I will actually feature that giveaway on the next video. So make sure you stay tuned for the Makeup Gems for Less episode. And I think that is why Ulta and Sephora are actually stepping up their game on this holiday sets, because TJ Maxx is kicking their butt. Now I'm gonna actually head to a nail salon close by because I have to go get my feet done, you guys. I've been abandoning my feet for the past month, and we cannot have no crusty feet for the holidays. So I'm gonna head my butt to the nail salon, and then I'll see you guys. I just got here at the Place Nail Salon and Day Spa, and I'll see you guys inside. Should I do like a pink color, or should I do more like holiday-ish? Maybe I should do more like a reddish tone. Oh, this is really pretty. The Thriller Brazil. I'm looking for like a really dark color. Let's see.